Alright, so I've given you a quick overview and demo of the Domain Leads platform and how it works, the data that you're going to get from our system, and how simple and easy it is to use. If you look right down below, you'll see the actual pricing that we actually charge people every single day for our software, and that they're actually happy to pay because of the quality and amount of leads that they can get on a daily basis from our platform. And if you look right below that, you'll see the special discounted offer that we are presenting you with today. You can see that it's highly discounted. We are offering you the unlimited agency plan, which means that you have an unlimited amount of leads that you can grab from our database every single day. So if you're interested in getting all the contact information of everybody who's registered a public domain, getting it fast and easy, being able to search and filter, and getting a huge discount on what we normally charge for our massive database, go ahead and sign up right now.